not married, what properties he had, and then they list everything. The reason why this is important is because the law of intestacy is strict.
Yeah.
So, for example, if you are cohabiting with a man
Yeah.
and you're not legally married,
Yeah.
even if you cohabit for 25 years,
Yeah.
you're not entitled to inherit in his estate
Yes.
under the laws of
Okay.
intestacy.
Yes.
And this brings us back to the question of why the will is important. Because in the will, I can give my property to whomever I want. But when there is no will,
Yes.
the law takes effect. And the law says for you to be married, marriage is a legal concept,
Yes.
not a cultural concept.
Yes.
And there is either you have to have a marriage certificate, and for people to know, even customary marriages, you go register it at the sub counter and they issue you a customary marriage certificate.
Yes.
And it becomes very important because some people say, I'm a wife, you have no proof, no bride price was paid, no function took place.
Yes.
So now it becomes, so once,
And there are many who are out there who have
yes,
been introduced. They don't have a certificate.
if you're introduced and you have, like, for example, photographs of the function,
Yes, it's okay.
you are on the
Clear.
safe side, because maybe in the course of this discussion, I'm going to let you know, on a particular case that had an actual discussion on what it means to be married under customary law.
Yes.
So when the minutes are gathered, they take them back to the administrator general's office. Now, in that meeting, you also, the people who have attended have to nominate who is going to be the administrator
Yes.
or administrators.
Yes.
So, in an instance where, for example, you find that, let me use an example of a man. This man had four wives. He had five children from each of the wives. Uh, for some people, they feel like if we nominate one wife, they may be unfair to the rest. So
Yeah.
sometimes they nominate either like two
Mm-hmm.
or a child from each of the wives,
Yeah.
and so that they become a group of administrators.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Now, there are also circumstances where you find uh, there is a woman who had children from two different men,
Yeah.
and she's the one who has passed away. And they feel like if we only choose the children of this other man, they may disadvantage these children. So
Yeah.
they may pick a member from either side.
Yes.
Now, the office of the administrator general will issue a document called the certificate of no objection, meaning they don't object to these people have been nominated being granted letters of administration. Yes. Now, once they get that, they make a petition to court.
Yeah.
Now they will. The petition is that they are applying for letters of administration. They attach their national IDs, attach the near death certificate, attach the minutes,
Yes.
and then also attach a notice
Yeah.
of application of letters of administration.
Yeah.
They submit these to court. Now, court will uh, will give will give, once they have viewed the file, they will allow the applicants to go and advertise their application
Yeah.
in a newspaper of wide circulation,
The
or
administrators.
yes, or in the Uganda Gazette. Why do they do this?